Hello, I am Niro, mobile developer from Sufalam Technologies. Currently, we are seeing many applications supporting dark mode in his applications. First, let's talk about its advantage. It can reduce power usage by a significant amount. Also, improves visibility for users with low vision and those who are sensitive to bright light. Makes it easier for anyone to use a device in a low light environment. So today we will learn how can we adding a support dark mode in our application. Now I am show how to implement in our application. As you can see, I have a take a button for enable or disable dark mode, and I have initialized in main activity class file, and then I have checked is night mode already on or off. For that I have save status in set preference. So on button click of switch button, first I have check is currently is night mode is on or off. If is night mode on, so we have to disable the dark mode. For that, write the fcompare delegate dot set default night mode in brackets of fcompare delegate dot mode night no. For enable the dark mode, we have to set the mode night yes. Okay. Then we also do the set the main text alternate and background color of activity class, or if dark mode and light mode. As you can see, I have set the white color for light mode, and in the night mode I have set the black color. Okay, now run the application. Yes, you can see the currently in light mode application. Now we will click the dark mode button. So as you can see, we have converted the light mode to dark mode. If we close the application, now open a application again, it's open as a same it is we have leave the application. Okay guys, thank you, hope you like it. If any concern query regarding this, please enter in comment box. We will try to resolve it by quickly.